Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 7 integers. Next topic subtraction of integers. Look here. Subtraction of integers. First question, solve 2 minus 4. Show the number line. Look here. We move to the left because we have to subtract a positive numbers. Start from 2 on the number line, that is 2 units to the right of 0. Okay. Next is now move back 4 units to left. Last, hence we moved total 2 units left from 0. Okay, so integer is minus 2. Next is minus 2 and minus 4. Show the number line. We start with a negative number. We move to the left because we have to subtract a positive number. Okay, show the diagram. Start from minus 2 on the number line, that is 2 units to the left of 0. Next, now move further back 4 units to left, and last, hence we moved total 6 units left from 0. Moved total 6 units left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So integer is minus 6. Minus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 6. Okay? Write down. Next question. 3 minus minus 5 minus minus plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Show the diagram. We moved to the right because we have to subtract a negative number. Show the number line. Start from 3 on the number line, that is 3 units to the right of 0. Next, now move further 5 units to right. Hence, we moved total 8 units right from 0. Moved total 8 units right from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, integer is 8, 3 minus minus plus 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, student? Next is minus 1 minus minus 3 minus minus plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Show the diagram. We move to the right because we have to subtract a negative number. Start from minus 1 on the number line, that is 1 units to the left of 0. Next, now move further 3 units to right, and last, hence we moved total 2 units right from 0. Okay, show the number line. 2 units right from 0, 1 and 2. So integer is plus 2, minus 1 plus minus minus plus 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next, a game on addition and subtraction of integers. Addition of integers. Look here. 2 was 10 minus 10 plus 10. Look. Positive integers and negative integers. Look here. Show the board. 2 was minus 10 and 2 was plus 10. all positive integers and all negative integers. Okay, round 1. All integers, negative and positives. Show the diagram. Zero plus 1 and last candidate -3. Negative integers -1, -2 and -3. Result of round 1. 2 words -10 and 2 words +10. First position Patrick, second Kathy. -1 plus 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to +4. Shift, move to left side. +5 integer, +5 plus 1 is equal to +6. 5 plus 1. Move to right side. +6 plus -3 plus -3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Result of round 2nd. First position, second position and third position. Now let us also do an activity to elaborate addition and subtraction of integers. Take marble of only 2 colors, green and red. Show the diagram. Symbolically, green is equal to 1 and red is equal to -1. Let us also consider together add to nothing. So answer is 0. 1 plus -1 cancel out is equal to 0. 1 green and 1 red marble collectively called the zero pair. Rules for addition using colored marbles. First represent the problem using the marbles. 3 plus -2 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Solve the question. 5 plus 6. 5 green balls and 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. First represent the first number using the colored marbles. 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Solve 5 minus 6. Summary of integers. Ordering and comparing the integers, smaller and greater, all positive integers and all negative integers. Number decrease as we move left on the number line, and second is number increase as we move right on a number line. Okay student, show the diagram. Okay.